Today we're checking out the Range DFM module for the 2022 to 2024 V8 Sierra 1500s. If you're tired of cylinder deactivation, inconsistent driving experience, or you want to eliminate that auto start stop interruption, this device gives you full-time V8 performance with plug-and-play simplicity. This easy plug-and-play module overrides both dynamic fuel management and auto start-stop systems, ensuring your engine is running on all cylinders all the time for a smoother, more immediate throttle response. It's going to deliver constant V8 power, reduce drivetrain wear, and a classic truck rumble while eliminating the annoying mode transitions and idling delays. It plugs directly into your system using smart inline technology, allowing for easy installation and no permanent changes. If you need to, you can unplug it and return directly to the factory settings, ideal for warranty work and ease of use over the long haul. The design also improves long-term engine reliability by preventing issues tied to cylinder deactivation, like oil consumption, fouled plugs, lifter failure, and valve train wear. While coasting mode might still activate sometimes, depending on your setup, to preserve drivability, the unit effectively restores full V8 function during acceleration, load, and those towing conditions. This is built for simplicity and reliability. The module is compact, an inline ECM add-on with robust housing. It's engineered for seamless integration into your truck's control system without risking codes or any wiring changes. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in that upper $200 price range. It's a pretty worthwhile investment for real-world power smoothing, performance consistency, and peace of mind behind the wheel. The installation on this is rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in just 15 minutes of your time. It's a simple, tool-free installation, so let's check out exactly how that install process goes with a video from one of our AmericanTrucks customers.
For today's install, we used a 3/8 ratchet, an extension, 10mm socket, that's for the negative battery cable. Also used a 1/4 inch ratchet with a T15 Torx bit, and this was for the fender inner lining. Hi, my name is Jay, and today we'll be installing the DFM disabler on my 2025 GMC Sierra. To get started, we're just going to start the truck and turn the wheel all the way to the left. That should give us enough room to work. Next step, we want to disconnect the battery negative cable. This is our negative battery cable here. Just need a 10mm and loosen that up. And that should slide right off. We will now remove these 5 Torx bit screws so we can pull out the fender liner and gain access to the ECM. And that's the room we needed right there. So now that we have access to start, we will be disconnecting the lower connector on the computer. And to do that, we will pull out this red tab. This red tab right here. You'll just pull it towards the outside of the vehicle like so. Then there's a little tab here you press in and lift up on this lever. And that should disengage the bolt. You should be able to remove. You have your module here where it has this little slider that will go onto the computer. And then down Now that is locked in. And then you reverse the steps to reconnect the connector. That will pull it in tight so it clicks, and then lock it with the red tab. We'll now reinstall the liner. I like to get all my screws started before tightening anything down, just in case you have to make any small adjustments along the way. Once they're all started, you can start tightening them down. Now that is installed, all that's left is reconnecting our negative battery cable. Make sure that's nice and tight. Should be ready to start. Now that everything's connected, we'll restart the vehicle. Just make everything is operating.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the Range DFM module for the 2022 to 2024 V8 Sierra 1500s. And for all things Sierra, keep it right here at American Trucks.